how to post Shopify products on Facebook. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign into your Shopify account. Once you're signed into your Shopify account, go ahead and click on the Add Apps button, which you'll find under the Apps section at the left side of your screen. Click on Add Apps, and this will allow you to add Shopify apps from your Shopify App Store. So click on Shopify App Store. Now on the Shopify App Store, go ahead and look for Facebook and Instagram. So go ahead and click on Facebook and Instagram once you find this. Now and you go ahead and click on the Install button to be able to install Facebook and Instagram on your Shopify store. This will redirect you into a new page where you'll need to confirm the installation of Facebook and Instagram on your Shopify store. So go ahead and click on the install button to be able to continue installing Facebook and Instagram for your Shopify store. Now on the sidebar, you'll be able to find Facebook and Instagram under the sales channel. Go ahead and click on Facebook and Instagram. Now on here, go ahead and click on the Get Started button. So as you can see in here, to increase your Shopify sales, you can go ahead and try Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So to be able to do that, you need to set up your ads account on Facebook and Instagram. You'll need to connect your Facebook business account in this area. You'll need to set up your business portfolio along with agreeing with the terms and conditions for Shopify and Facebook and Instagram ads. After that, you can go ahead and click on the Submit for Review button. Now, once you have that done, you can immediately post your Shopify products to your Facebook and Instagram account.